XRP, huge pump, guys. Check this out. Oh my goodness, I've been buying, backing the truck up on Bitcoin and XRP and Solana and Ethereum. But Ethereum is doing great, huge capitulation here, but also XRP Ripple. I bought the dip at 139, 138, 136, 136.6, and then it's pumping this morning. Oh my goodness, to like 147, 148, huge pump on XRP. So you heard it first here. I was saying the last couple of days, now is the time to back the truck up. Just going to do a quick video here, and tell me what you think. Hey, leave like and share. Let's get the word out, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. And then also too, recently penned an ebook that you can read for free. You can see the links below. User Research 101, how to conduct effective user research for product development on Kindle. Check out the links below. Tell me what you think. And so what do you guys think about this XRP pump and then the cryptos and what's going on? The stock market had a 600-point dip there. There's a buildup in the Middle East. Stock settled slightly higher as bond yields are falling. And Wall Street steadies after the AI-induced sell-off. So has the AI bubble burst? Amazon news, inflation measures fall nearly 5-year low. Gas prices are cheap. Precious metals, got a lot of news going on with this. And precious metals up to about $78 for silver bullion. Just incredible news here. Running about a minute and a half. So, covering all this news, gold was up about 2%, well over 5,000. So we've had incredible news here in the markets. And so, what do we do with this? I'm backing the truck up on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Solana. It was all 100% sell. And then MicroStrategy, that stock capitulated. So, I don't use stop orders, and then I don't trade on the margin. So I let Bitcoin go against me like 60,000 points or so. And so I'm backing the truck up on all of that. Now we get this huge capitulation. So where do we go from here? So my blockchain ETFs, BKCH, kind of running it quiet this morning because it's early in the morning. Don't want to wake anyone up. Blockchain ETFs up huge. BKCH, block, BLOK, and then ETH, ETHE, and then FSOL, the Solana ETF. So I've been selling my silver bags on e-commerce, taking huge profits out of it, on selling physical specie, and then backing the truck up onto Bitcoin again, BKCH, block, ETH, and then FSOL. So it's not financial advice. You got to read the risk disclaimer below. But tell me what you think. Did we capitulate? Did Michael Saylor with MicroStrategy, let's see, MST Strategy Inc. stock dipped huge and then had a pivot. So strategy was up huge to up about 10%, to about 135. But in the last week, it dipped to as low as $120, about $122 a share. Looks like it's formed a big old cup and a handle. We might get a capitulation in Bitcoin. Let's see. So just some exciting times. We got the news headlines going on here. I don't usually produce content on Saturdays, but just wanted to do a quick video to celebrate the huge bump that I've had experienced with the crypto space and the blockchain. So, man, we got news on Guthrie. We got a lot of news on political, partial government shutdown, the Department of Homeland Security, Iran, North Korea, China, my goodness, the BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. So this is exciting times that we're living in. So we're running about 5 minutes, but just wanted to celebrate. Had a huge pump so far this weekend on XRP, part of the XRP army. back the truck up. And so we got a huge pump on the cryptos, and the altcoins are doing great too. So let's see here. Let's look at these altcoins real quick. Bitcoin up 69,585. Ethereum is trading at above 2,000, up 1% to 20,000 or 2,074. XRP up nearly 4% to 1.46. Oh man, Solana at 87, up nearly 3%. Doge, the doggy coin, up 5%. Bitcoin Cash is up to hard forks, and then Cardano up 3%, and Hyperliquid and Chainlink, Stellar Lumens, Hedera, Litecoin is up big, Avalanche is up nice, Shibu, Inu, Sui is up big, up 3%, Toncoin, TON, World Liberty Financial, and then Trump Coin's doing good too. So Pax Gold, Polkadot, Uniswap is up big, had a big dippy dip in Uniswap. Aave is up 6%. Man, Pepe the Frog, Ethereum Classic, official Trump is up to $3.47, up about 1%. I think Trump's oversold, not financial advice. So Tezos is up nice. So this is what we have. Dog with hat. I got my new hat on. Look, got my Bentley hat from Bentley. So this is what I have for today on the weekend, man. Today is Saturday. My goodness. The 14th, man, of 2026, man. February. So that's the news, people. What are we, is this the final capitulation for Bitcoin? Are we going to have the power pivot off of, let's see, off about 63,000, the 50% price dip. My goodness, up 1% today on Bitcoin. So is Michael Saylor right? Do we buy the dip? Is MicroStrategy going to go to zero? Anything's possible. Bitcoin is 100% downtrend on the bar chart technical opinion. So when that happens, I back the truck up. And Bitcoin could go to zero. Anything's possible. But I have a mastery of asymmetric risk. And then silver bullion's pumping. So I'm on both sides. And looking at the futures here, the performance leaders on futures, wow, Ethereum's 100% downtrend. So I'm backing the truck up on that. Ether futures were up huge yesterday, and so the 52-week range on the futures, silver bullion still has a positive 126 positive weighted alpha, and the bottom of the list on weighted alpha is cocoa now, and then ether futures, so orange juice, and then Bitcoin futures. So that's what I'm purchasing. I'm purchasing ETH futures in Bitcoin because it's the greatest negative weighted alpha. So that's all I really have for today. I give thanks for my abundant supply now manifested. I have it now. So that's John here on my news desk and trading desk. Everyone have a great day. And, let's see if we get a follow through pumpy pump on XRP. I sold some, took some nice profits out of the Ripple, joining the XRP army. So thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Running about 10 minutes or so. Have a great weekend and happy Valentine's Day. Thanks, everyone.